So, Udta Punjab, that controversial movie about drugs in Punjab, finally was released. It opened at cinemas across the country. Now, this controversy over censor cuts and court hearings, it did spur the interest of movie goers. This movie stars Shahid Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Kareena Kapoor in lead roles. The film tracks the story of drugs in Punjab. It's been released in over 51 theatres across the state. Let me quickly go across to India Today's Lasapriya Sundaram, who gets us some audience reactions.
Well, the film lived up to my expectations. It's a brilliant film. The problem has been portrayed beautifully, and the problem is real. And I wish more and more people come and watch it, especially in theatres, instead of downloading on torrents and watching it.
I think
So, those who watch the movie may like it. Udta Punjab may have gotten off to a flying start, but its success may still be grounded because of piracy. Now, India Today Group's newspaper Mail Today reports that the leaked print of Udta Punjab has been uploaded on dozens to torrents. A day before the release, the leaked print of the film was on uTorrent, and that was meant, the print that was meant for the censor board made it to several online websites. It is alleged that the film was leaked by a member of the censor board and that there has been a concerted effort. Uploaders put the film on various torrents and live streaming websites. Experts say that Udta Punjab has received a response comparable to Hollywood blockbusters and international TV shows like the Game of Thrones. But with the film available to download, it's expected to cost thousands of crores in terms of revenue to the producers. But it's not just piracy. Udta Punjab is also fighting protesters. Where else but in Punjab? Sena is saying that they will not let this film go on in Punjab. Udta Punjab ran into a fair bit of trouble in the state of Punjab. Now, on the day of its release, there were protests against the film in Patiala and in Ludhiana. Shiv Sena protested against the abusive content in the film. And India Today's Shilpa Ratnam now joins me for more on this movie. Shilpa, how is the box office reacting to the film?
Well, Gaurav, I'm here at a suburban multiplex in Mumbai, and the shows are running absolutely full. And who better to know that than a disappointed cinema goer here? I have with me here Ravi, who came to catch the current show of Udta Punjab, but he's been disappointed because it's running pretty full.
Yes, it's almost full. I've been here for 2 tickets and I didn't get it because almost full. And I heard what the things is going on. It's like it takes a lot of effort and lot of work in that.
Absolutely. And the fact that the film is being widely pirated and being downloaded as we speak right now, that's definitely going to hit the film's revenue. But people like Ravi are still coming to the theatres to watch the film. Is it because you don't download films, or is it because Udta Punjab is the film that you want to watch in the theatres?
This is because I'm a very good citizen of India, and I'm still, whether it's leaked or whether it's pirated or whatever, I don't care about that. I'm going to watch in theatre, and I'll always appreciate the effort what the cinema people make, whether it's production house, whether it's actors or so and so whatever.
Right, so we have like a really ideal citizen of the country here, Gaurav, but we don't know how many of the others are going to be so idealistic with over 70,000 downloads already, but it's really not affecting the box office turnout, especially in the heart of Mumbai, which is the filming capital of the country. Of course,
But
here
tell me
in
this.
Mumbai, the film is running to packed houses, and we really aren't seeing...
Okay,
Sure.
but tell me this, have the producers reacted to the film being put on various websites? They suspect that it could be somebody from the censor board. What action, if at all, are they planning?
Well, Gaurav, as soon as the film was out on the torrent sites, the makers Anurag Kashyap and Ekta Kapoor filed a complaint at the Mumbai cybercrime cell. And yesterday, in fact, the police held a press conference at 4 o'clock saying investigations are still on and they are trying to identify the culprit, but no arrests have been made yet. However, on the other hand, controversial censor chief Pelaj Lani made a sensational statement saying that they've already arrested the person who is responsible for this leak. But of course, that person hasn't been arrested as of yet. Of course, the needle of suspicion pointed towards Pelaj Lani and the censor board.